Ah, yes. I feel a scare in the air. Jeff! I didn't give a signal.
Howling Harriet! She's real! She's coming for our toes!
Scratch, I told you, you can't scare me off.
Well, I might have been able to if someone hadn't stolen my scare. I'm looking at you, Jeff. And what is this? What's with all the sticks? It's a bit too much, Jeff.
Oh, really, Scratch? I don't know. I mean, I think my detail work really helps kind of sell the illusion.
But if you're... And this is... Ha!
Harriet! For real, Harriet? Scratch, how do we get rid of her? What if we give her the thing she's been looking for?
I like it. Whose toes are we taking? The pink-headed girl, right?
You and Jeff keep her away from the campers, especially the pink-headed one. I'll get us some toes.